What do you want, Seba?
Toast.
And what do you want on your toast?
And
What? Do you want honey? Sit down. Sit down and I'll get your toast. Which one? No, no, you gotta sit down. You gotta sit down. Oh, who's that? Mama's coming! Mama's coming! Toast? Do you want some toast?
No.
Hey! You're having honey and toast. Give Mummy a kiss. Oh, what's that? There's your magnets. Oh. Is that your toast? How many pieces of toast have you had this morning? How many toast? How many pieces?
Hi, toast.
More honey and toast. Come on then.